Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fandi Solihin. This time, I will pinch the color of stars to all of you. Do you know why our color of stars is different? Different star colors due to differences in temperature and magnitude. Color stars are also divided into 7 main classes declared by scientists with letters O, B, A, F, G, K, and M. The first, I will to tell you about Class O stars. Class O stars are the hottest. The surface temperature is more than 25,000 Kelvin. The main Class O star is the most blue-looking star, even though most of its energy is emitted at purple and ultraviolet wavelengths. In the spectrum pattern, the stronger absorption lines are from helium atoms, which are ionized one time, and twice ionized carbon. Absorption lines from other ions are also seen, including those from oxygen, nitrogen, and silicon ions. Balmer hydrogen lines do not appear because almost all hydrogen atoms are ionized. The main class O star is actually the most rare star among the other main series stars. For example, Spica. The next, Class B stars. Class B stars are stars that are quite hot with surface temperatures between 11,000 to 25,000 Kelvin and are white and blue. In the spectrum pattern, the strongest absorption lines are from neutral helium atoms. Balmer lines for hydrogen appear to be stronger than Class O stars. Class O and B stars have very short lifespan, so they do not have time to move far from the area they are formed, and therefore tend to gather in an association OB. Of all the main Skyline star populations, there are about 0.13% Class B stars. For example, Rigel. The next, Class A stars. Class A stars have a surface temperature of 7,500 to 11,000 Kelvin and are white. Because it is not too hot, the hydrogen atoms in the atmosphere are neutral, so that the Balmer lines will look the strongest in this class. Some lines of ionized metal attack, such as magnesium, silicon, iron, and one-time ionized calcium, also appear in the spectrum pattern. Class A stars are approximately only 0.63% of the entire main series star population. For example, Sirius. The next, Class F stars. Class F stars have a surface temperature of 6,000 to 7,500 Kelvin, which is white-yellow. The spectrum has a Balmer strips pattern that is weaker than Class A star. Some lines of ionized metal absorption, such as 2 iron and 2 calcium, and neutral metal such as neutral, begin to appear. Class F stars are approximately 3.1% of the entire main series star population. For example, Procyon. The next, Class G stars. Class G stars are probably the most studied because the Sun is the star of this class. Class G stars have a surface temperature between 5000 and 6000 Kelvin and are yellow. Balmer lines on this class star are weaker than Class F stars, but the lines of neutral metal and metal ions are getting stronger. The profile of the most famous spectrum of this class is the profile of the Fraunhofer line. Class G stars are around 8% of the entire main series star population. For example, Sun. The next, Class K stars. Orange Class K stars have a temperature slightly cooler than the Sun's stars, which is between 3500 and 5000 Kelvin. Alpha Centauri B is the main series star of this class. Some Class K stars are giant, such as Arcturus. Class K stars have very weak Balmer lines. Neutral metal lines appear stronger than Class G stars. Titanium oxide molecular lines begin to appear. Class K stars are around 13% of the entire main series star population. For example, Aldebaran. The next, please. The next, Class M stars. Class M stars are stars with the most populations. The star is red with a surface temperature lower than 3500 Kelvin. All red dwarfs are stars of this class. Proxima Centauri is one example of the main class M series star. Mass stars that are in a giant phase, such as Antares and Betelgeuse, are this class. The absorption lines in the spectrum of Class M stars are mainly of neutral metal. Balmer's lines are almost invisible. The molecular lines of titanium oxide are very clearly visible. Class M stars are around 78% of the entire main series star populations. That's what I can explain about the difference this color of stars. Thank you for your attention. If there are questions, please contact this number 085 232 985 and 057. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi